We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape for beginners. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see a blank canvas in the middle. This is where all your creations will come to life. Start by familiarizing yourself with the toolbars on the left. You have the main tools like the selector, which is your arrow for selecting objects, and then you have the tools for drawing shapes like rectangles, ellipses, and stars. To draw a shape, just click on the tool and drag on the canvas. You can switch to the selector tool to move or resize your shape. On the right side, you'll find the fill and stroke dialog. This is where you can change the color of your shapes. Click on an object, then go to the fill tab to change its color. The stroke tab lets you adjust the outline color and thickness. To add text, click on the text tool, then click anywhere on the canvas to start typing. You can change the font and size in the text and font dialog found under the text menu at the top. If you want to import an image, go to File, then Import, and select the image file from your computer. You can resize and move it just like any other object. Layers are another powerful feature in Inkscape. They help you organize your work by separating different elements. You can access layers from the Layers menu, where you can add, delete, or rename them. To save your work, go to File, then Save As, and choose the format you prefer, like SVG for vector graphics or PNG for images. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.